Slovakia, a small but so much more interesting country in the middle of Europe. Its capital is Bratislava, an old baroque-style city next to the Danube on both sides. Because Bratislava is one of the smallest capitals in Europe, you can explore the entire city within a couple of days. The city trip will give you unforgettable moments, and it does not count that you are alone or with your family or with friends or with your love. However, not just the capital, but the countryside is worth to visit as well. An amazing part of the Carpathian Mountains run along in North-Slovakia, which provides perfect hiking possibilities during spring and summertime, or in the autumn, not to mention the cold weather sports in the winter. In addition, all over the country, many restaurants offer the visitors to try the traditional Slovakian kitchen in 365 days of the year. In this episode, we are taking a culinary trip to Slovakia.
Hello everyone, I'm Vicky and you are watching the Mindfilmness YouTube channel. If you get tired after an eventful day or just want to eat something stodgy in Slovakia, do not hesitate to try brinza sheep cheese dumplings. Did you know that according to some experts, brinza cheese helps to prevent cancer thanks to the huge amount of microorganisms and the different kinds of hormones and enzymes? Besides of this health benefit, brinza sheep cheese dumplings also a really traditional Slovakian cuisine. Today we are going to show you how to cook this substantial and delicious food. Firstly, let us see the ingredients. We need some flour, 1 egg, some salt to taste, potatoes, sour cream, and the really important part, brinza sheep cheese, but you can use any kind of sheep cheese if you want. And the best part, the bacon. We need a large pot. And until the water starts boiling, we're gonna finely grate the potato. And now we are mixing the dough together. We need also 1 egg. Some salt to taste. You can also add some flour or water depending on the dough condition, but we need a smooth mix. Now we can put our dough into the boiling water. Until it's dripping down, we're gonna fry the bacon. The bacon is ready, so now we can mix all of these together. I'm gonna put some dumplings here. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We were the Mindfilmness, and see you next time. Bye!